Hello boys and girls, hope you are all fine. In this video we will be learning multiples of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Its common multiples, factors and product. Multiples of 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will start now by multiples of 2. What's multiples of 2? What's meaning by multiples? Multiples of 2 are the product of multiplying 2 to any number. Let's start here. We will use 120 chart to know the multiples of 2. I will start here from 2, color the number. After that, skip counting by 2. We will go to 4, color 4. Skip counting again by 2, it's 6. Skip counting by 2, it's 8, and so on. So we have here multiples of 2. I will write here the first 10 multiples of 2, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay, we can see here that all these numbers are even numbers. So multiples of 2, all the numbers here are even numbers. Let's go now to multiples of 3. We will also use 120 chart to know and represent multiples of 3. I will start from 3 and after that skip counting by 3. So I will color 3 with another color, skip counting 1, 2, 3. The third number is 6, color 8. After that 1, 2, 3, it's 9, skip counting by 3, 12, skip counting by 3, 15, and so on. So I have here multiples of 3. I will write here the first also 10 multiples of 3, which is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. Okay, the common multiples of 2 and 3. What's common multiples of 2 and 3? The common multiples of 2 and 3 are the common numbers in 2 and 3. Let's check here. I have here in multiples of 2, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Check here with the number I have in multiples of 2 and also have it in multiples of 3. Check here. Yes, it's 6. I can find 6 in multiples of 2 and also multiples of 3. Check again. Okay, 12 also I can find it in multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. So I will write 12 in common multiples of 2 and 3. Next, it's also 18. I have 18 in multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. So I will write 18. 24 also I have it common multiples between 2 and 3. 30 also common multiple between 2 and 3, and so on. So I have here multiples. The common multiples of 2 and 3 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. Look here. If I look here to the first number in the common multiples, it's 6. Second one is 12. I'm skipping here by plus 6. 12 to 18 also skipping by 6. So I have here starting by 6 and skip counting by 6. It means that the common multiples of 2 and 3 are also the same multiples of 6. Okay, let's go now to multiples of 4. We will also use 120 chart to know the multiples of 4. We know the multiples. I will start from 4 and color it. Skip counting by 4. Okay. After that I have 8. Color 8. Skip counting after 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 20. And so on. So I have here the first 10 multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Okay, we took before multiples of 2, and here is multiple of 4. Multiples of 2. Don't forget that multiples of 2 is all even numbers. What is the common multiples of 2 and 4? We know before that common multiples mean the numbers in multiples of 4. I can find it in numbers of multiple of 2. I will check here. For multiples of 4, I have 4. Yes, 4 I can find it in multiples of 2 and multiples of 4. So this is the first common multiples in 2 and 4. Second one, yes, it's 8. I can find 8 in multiples of 4 and also multiples of 2. Check again. Yes, I have 12. 12 also common multiple between 4 and 2. What's next? Yes, I have 16. 16 is common multiple of 2 and 4. Next is 21, is 20, and so on. So the common multiples of 2 and 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Now we will take multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 are starting from 5 and skip counting by 5. Also, we'll use 120 chart to represent that. I'll start from 5, color it. After that, I will skip counting by 5. It will be 10, color it also. Skip counting by 5, it's 15. Skip counting by 5, 20. After that, skip by 5, it's 25, and so on. So here is the first 10 multiples of 5. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay, look here what you will see. You will see here that all the numbers ending by just 2 digits, 5 or 0, or the number ending just by 5 or 0. We know 5 is an odd number and 0 also, and 0 is an even number. We took before multiples of 2, which is all the number are even number. We will take now the common multiples of 2 and 5. Don't forget that multiples of 2 are even numbers and multiples of 5 ending by 5 or 0. Look here, In the 120 chart, I have here ending by 5, here ending by 0, and the numbers ending by 0, we know that 0 is even number. So I will check here what is the common multiple between 2 and 5. I will check here. 5, no, it's odd number, so it's not in multiples of 2. 10, yes, then in multiples of 2. So it's common multiple of 2 and 5. Check again. 15, no. 20, yes, I can find it in multiples of 2. 30, yes, also in multiples of 2. So all even numbers in multiples of 5 can be common multiples with 2. So I have here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. So these numbers, all of them are common multiples of 2 and 5. We will go now to the factors and the product. We'll take an example here. If I ask you 2 times 3 equal, it means I repeat 2 3 times, or I repeat 3 2 times. So 2 times 3 equal, yes, super, 6. Now I have two numbers, which is 2 and 3. When I ask you what is the factors of 6, the factor of 6 are 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are factors. Okay, so 6 is what? 6 is a product. Yes, 6 is a product. So that means factors, factor time factor equal product. So here the factors of 6 are super. The factors are 2 and 3. So what is the product? Yes, the product is 6. Take another example. 4 times 5 equal, sure, 20. So where is my factors? Yes, 4 and 5 are factors of 20. So where is the product? Yes, product 20 is the product. So the factors are 4 and 3, 4 and 5. And the product is 20. Thank you very much and see you next video. Bye bye.